All right. What we have here in another episode of Jethro's Garage, Sketchy Fabrication Division. But this isn't really sketchy, and really it's carpentry. The room we're in, which still needs a little more work, is a 400 square foot garage apartment. But it really only gets used when we have company stay over. And for the longest time we had an old queen bed out here, which took up a lot of space. And I want to be able to put some exercise equipment and whatnot out here. So my dear wife found these plans where she finds everything on Pinterest. It's very simple. It's a very simple, easy to fabricate Murphy bed. This is what it's like folded down. Now if you bear with me, I'm going to fold it up. And here we go. And there you have it. The legs flip down. Down below, we have this little space. I used some Velcro. There's storage for linens and such. I think it turned out pretty good. Couldn't have done it without my other half. What do you think? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments.